welcome back. Today we'll be putting together some Closet Maid shelf systems right in here in this space. Just pretty much showing you step by step how to do this. So let's go right ahead and get started. Iron things that's going to hold up the shelves, pretty much used in cabinets and closets, anything like that. So just 2 of these, and depending on the size, it might be 3 or 4. So you got these things right here. Or you can use your own thing. I'm probably just end up using this. Anchors. This is what I use the most. Alright, so a few things will be required for the job will be a drill. You can use 2 drills, one with the drill bit and one with the just the fill up on there or whatever is needed. You're also gonna need a hammer if you're using the equipment that it came with. And also, importantly, a tape measure, level. Also, you want to make sure you grab the right size screw bit. So you can see the way to figure out it, just put it just like that. It should be like almost exactly or just a little bit smaller. And just say 732 screw bit. This is the space we have here. Little space in here. So you can see here it has like a hook on there. This will be the one that's going right at the top, holding up the shelf. So you can see it got a little clamp on there. And this will be the one that be going right at the bottom. Here will be the lower part, and this will be the part here attaching to the shelf. So it'll go something like this.
So what tool you be using for that?
To attach this?
Yes.
You can pretty much just this. Once you put this on there, figure out what these are going.
And what is this?
These are drywall anchors. So first you want to figure out where you want to put your first one at. There's no space right here. Also, you want to get the center of the wall.
So you grab the tape measure.
5 1/4 here. That'll put us at 27.62 to be the half.
Okay, how long is that?
This is 47. So this is our line right here, pretty much where we want it at. What you want to do is grab the level and draw that line out, and then that's where we're going to start. There's 5 of these right here. You kind of want to just spread them out on that line you have. That's where we're gonna place these clips on. Sometimes you wanna check what's behind this wall that you're working on. It might be a bathroom or something. You wanna make sure you're not hitting water lines or anything like that. There's 5 holes there. Now we just simply just place them in there. I'm gonna have to bang it in with a hammer or something. There we go. There you go. Add your 5 nails. You also want to put them right in there. Definitely want to grab your hammer for that or something. Forget. This is what's going to hold the shelf up. You want to grab the shelf. Once you get that done, you pretty much just keep following the same steps. What I went ahead and did is place the shelf on there, and then kind of like attach this to it. And then once it's attached on there, kind of want to draw the line out right at the bottom right there. And from there, actually it's two of these that's gonna hold the shelf up. So it's the first hole here. Want to make sure that it's level. I'm gonna hang this with this going right through it, just like that. So once you're ready to put it on the wall, the anchor goes right over top of it, just like that. All right, this is your first shelf right there. These things go right here. And just clamp on right at the top. All right, now we're just gonna repeat that process 2 more times and we're done from there. that's pretty much it right there. You got to turn the shells up. And pretty much once you get the first one up, you just keep following from there and you should be good. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe for the next video coming up.